Hello everyone. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. You all are welcome to Mahdi English School online education. We will start our day with a meaningful thought. Thought for the day is dream is not the thing you see in sleep, but is that thing that doesn't let you sleep. Yes, it is said by Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, the missile man of India as well as the former president of India. You know, he had a big vision, not only for the life but for the nation also. What does he say? That dream is not the thing you see in the sleep. At night, when we sleep and we see the dreams, that are not the dreams, but actually dream is what? That doesn't let you sleep, that you make work hard to fulfill your dreams or desires from the life. So without wasting time, wake up, get set, go and fulfill your dreams. Wish you a very large best of luck. So again, you all are welcome to wonderful session of mathematics in a class of Standard 1. You all are ready? Very good. Before we start, everybody close your eyes, breathe in, breathe out. Very good. Now sit straight at your place. Well done. You must make your back straight. You all are my good students. So hold the pencil and book in your hand. Write the date and day in this corner with a very good handwriting. Okay? So we are making a revision of chapter number 5. I know that you all are having book in your hand, but before we start, let me inform what we have already completed. Place value. Tens and ones we learn in the form of FBs. Numbers after, before and between. Ring the bigger number and smaller number. Check in your book, either you have completed or not. If not, then complete it as soon as possible. Find the biggest and smallest number. Do you remember how we solved this? Make a circle around smallest, square around biggest. Is the exercise present in your book? Check it. After that, we learn arrange in increasing order. What is the meaning of increasing order? To arrange the numbers smallest to biggest is called increasing order. Then we learn arrange in decreasing order. What is the meaning of decreasing order? To arrange the numbers from biggest to smallest. Okay? Check in your book, my dear. You have completed this or not? Till now, we have completed tables 1 to 7. You all know that every day we learn any table from 1 to 7. I am giving you tables in the form of homework also, so that you can memorize the table. Then we learn dodging tables. Now, ready for today's session. Today we are going to learn counting backward. Counting by twos, table of 4. Ready? Very good. So let's start today's session. Write the heading in your book. Fill in the blanks by counting backward. What we have to do? Fill in the blanks by counting backward. Completed this heading? Very good. As I told you every day that after finishing the heading you have to leave one line and then you have to write. Now look at the board. Here I have the number 95 and I have to fill these blanks by counting backward. How can we fill the blanks in the form of backward? Let me tell you, when we are doing this exercise, we have to follow before numbers. Which exercise? Before numbers. Now write number 95 and make 3 dash here. Okay? Now think in your mind which number will come just before 95. There comes 94. Write down this in your book. Okay. Before 94 there will come 93. Completed? Now think in your mind which number will come before 93. Look at the pattern: 95, 94, 93, 92. Write down this in your notebook. After that, leave one line and write number 63, 63. Everyone has completed? Now tell me, which number will come just before 63? Before 63 there will come number 6 to 62. After 63 here you have to leave these 3 blanks. And as we are doing counting backward, so here we have to take help of before numbers. We have to go backward. So before 63 there will come 62. Before 62 there comes 61. 63, 62, 61. Now tell me which number will come? 60. So write these 2 forms in your book. Leave 1 line and then write number 3939. Make a 3 blanks beside number 39 because we have to fill these blanks by counting backward. Let me tell you again that as we are doing exercise of counting backward, here we have to count before numbers. Which numbers? Before numbers. So now tell me which number will come just before 39? Yes, there comes 38. Write down in your book 39, 38, 37. Now which number should come? Yes, 36. 39, 38, 37, 36. Copy this in your book. I want your handwriting good, huh? Again, sit straight at your place. Make your back straight. Look at the board properly. And yes, your handwritings must be good, huh? I am using must. Okay? After finishing this, leave 1 line and then write number 1919. Make 3 blanks beside number 19. Completed? Now tell me which number will come just before 19. Let me tell you. There will come number 1818. 19, 18, 17, 16. Very good. Completed. Now leave 1 line and then write number 49 and leave 3 blanks beside number 49. Think in your mind which number will come just before 49. 48, 48, 49, 48, 47, 46. Very good. I hope you all are writing with me, huh? Now leave 1 line and then write number 1010. Make 3 blanks beside number 1010. Now you have to solve this. What should I write here? If I want to complete this pattern, as backward counting. I know you all are my good students, huh? Very good. 10 before 9. Write down in your book. 10, 9, 8, 7. 49, 48, 47, 46. Okay, after that 10, 9, 8, 7. Here we have completed the exercise of fill in the blanks by counting backward. So who remembers what I announced before we start today's lecture? That today we are going to learn these things. Very good. Those who have remember. Yes. We are going to learn counting by twos. What is the meaning of counting by twos? Whenever we are going to make counting by twos, we have to skip one number. We can call this as skip counting by twos also. That as, look at there, here we have 2. After 2, leave one number, 2, leave 3, and there comes 4. 2, 3, 4. Stop writing as I am explaining. I will tell you afterwards when you have to write. Now look at the board and understand what am I saying. 2, 4, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2, 4, 6, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here we have the pattern. How can we make skip counting by twos? 2, 4, skip one number. 2 after 4, then 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, and so on. Here we have at last 100, but it can't be stopped at that number. Okay? So now you have to write in your book. So hold the book in your hand again. We are making practice of counting by twos. Let's do it. Write the heading, fill in the blanks by counting by twos. Write number 2, 4. Then make 3 blanks or 3 boxes beside number 4. Now see, what we have to do? We have to fill these boxes by counting by 2s. 2 after 4. 2, 3 and 4. 4 after there will come, we have to count 5 first. 4 after 5, leave it. And 6, jump on number 6. 2, 4, 6, 7. So leave number 7. 8. 2, 4, 6, 8, 9 and 10. So we have to skip the number which comes just after that number. Jump on the another number. Write down these numbers in your book: 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. Now leave one line and then write a new number. Look at the board. Here we have number 2 for 24. 2, 6, 26. We have to skip number 2, 5, 25 as we are doing skip counting by 2s. So 24 after there comes 26. Make a blank here. After 26, 1 blank, 2 blank, 3 blank, or draw 3 squares here. At last we have number 3, 4, 34. That means we have to count till number 34. So have you completed this? So we can move on to solve this. Look at the pattern. Here we have 2, 4, 24. 25, we have to skip it, then 26. 27, skip that, 28. Write down 28. 24, 26, 28. Now think in your mind which number will come next. 28, 29 and 30, 30. Now tell me, which number will comes next? After 30, start counting. 31, 32. There will come number 3 to 32. 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34. Who has completed this? Very good. Well done all my dear students. I hope you all have completed so that we can move forward. Shall we move? Yes, leave one line and write new number. 62. Write down number 62. Leave some space, make a blank and then write 64, 64. After that, draw 4 blanks or 4 boxes so that we can fill these boxes or blanks by counting by 2s. Here we have number 62, 64. What comes here? How can we know that? By counting. 64 after 65 means we have to skip it. And 66. So we have to write number 66 in this box. Write down 62, 64, 66. Now which number will come? After 66, 67. So skip that number and 68. Write down number 68. 68, 69. Skip 69. Write number 70, 70. 70 after 71 and 72. Note down the whole pattern in your book. 62, 64, 66, 68, 70, 72. Leave one line and then write new number. 88, 90. Leave 4 blanks or 4 boxes. After 90, 91, 92. Write down number 92, 92. 92 after 93, 94. So we should write number 94. After that 95. Skip it and write number 96, 96. 97. Let it skip and write 98, 98. Write these numbers carefully with a very good handwriting in your book. 88, 90, 92, 94, 96, 98. So, you all have completed this. This was the exercise of skip counting by twos. I hope you all understand this as well as you have completed this in your book. Now, what time is it, my dear students? Yes, the thing for which you all were waiting for a long time. It's time to learn the table. Get ready, take the book in your hand and write the heading. Table of 4. Yes, you all have to read with me as well as write with me. Ready? Start. Four ones are 4. 4 twos are 8. 4 threes are 12. 4 fours are 16. 4 fives are 20. 4 6 are 24. 4 sevens are 28. 4 eights are 32. 4 nines are 36. 4 tens are 40. You all have completed. Look at your book. Is your handwriting good? Very nice. Now hold the book in your hand. Note down the homework. Today you have to write table of 4 2 times in homework book. Not only write, you have to read also, so that you can memorize the table. At your home, stay safe, stay happy, take care of yourself. In next lecture, we will meet with some new exercise. Till then, thank you and bye-bye.